we couldn't sustain ourselves if we were to just rely on, shut up in there! Oi! We've always tried to be honest in what we did musically and everything, in every aspect of the band, and I think people like that. And like what you're saying about the GAA club, because we've done GAA clubs in every corner of the country, you know, and every little village and every little town all over the country, and I think people appreciate the fact that you'll go down to Ballahydreen or Ballybunion or whatever, you know, Connemara or Donegal, because you go to these little towns, people appreciate it. So then when we're doing gigs like the Ivy Gardens, you know, people come up to those gigs. We were doing that album. At that time, when you'd hear an Irish record on the radio, if they played 3 records in a row, you'd always know the Irish record because the production value would drop, you know, and you'd know because it was shit, you know. So the second song is the Irish song because it sounds shit, you know. So what we wanted to try and do was try and get it so that when an Aslan song was played, you couldn't differentiate it with anything else that was being played on the radio at the time. We wanted to kind of try and raise the standard of Irish music. When we started to do it years ago, it was because there was so much crap. We were listening to all this crap and we were saying, you know, we can do it better than that. Let's get a band together. And now it's gone so crap. We have a new single out and some of the DJs were saying, yeah, I love the single, but we can't play it. It doesn't fit in our demographic and all that. So I thought, well, if we make it a little bit crapper, then will you play it, you know? If we make a crap record, will you play it? If you look at U2 or somebody like that, they're an international band at this stage, so they kind of belong to the world. They don't belong to Ireland anymore, where we still belong to Ireland, you know. I think that might be what it is, but I try not to analyse it too much. But that was, like, these are the hands of a tired man, right? So that was my father. My father's hands used to be real hard, you know, he worked he was an upholsterer. So his hands are real hard. So these are the hands this is the old man's shroud, was his life. And then you've got, like, these are the feet of a punished pilgrim. Do you remember they used to walk up Crowpatrick in their bare feet? And so it was all those things, and this is the face of a teenage mother. Because then, like, up to that point, if a girl got pregnant, she was sent down to one of these fucking laundries down the country, where this, all just for the first time in Irish history, we were starting to be open about girls getting pregnant as teenagers and stuff. And then the chorus of it was this begrudging attitude that we have here in Ireland, that we see something good, and especially if it's Irish, because I think it's a throwback from the fact that we're an oppressed nation for so long, that we still have this insecurity, and we just knock at each other all the time. And so that was, everybody hit you, you know. Why not encourage? If you see somebody trying to do something, why not encourage it? Why fucking knock it down, you know?